7 big mistakes that small channels keep making on YouTube. Welcome to my channel. Navigating the YouTube landscape poses challenges for small channels aiming to carve their niche. Certain common mistakes, if unaddressed, can impede growth and visibility. From inconsistent uploads to neglecting SEO and audience engagement, these errors hinder potential success. This exploration delves into key blunders frequently made by small channels, providing insights into rectifying these pitfalls and offering strategies to pave the way for sustainable growth and audience connection in the competitive realm of YouTube. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 7. Ignoring quality for quantity. One prevalent mistake that hinders the growth of small YouTube channels is prioritizing quantity over quality. In the pursuit of frequent uploads, creators often compromise on the production standards of their content. Viewers are discerning, and consistently delivering subpar videos can lead to decreased engagement and subscriber attrition. Rather than focusing on a high volume of uploads, it's crucial for small channels to invest time in creating compelling, well-produced content. Quality videos not only capture audience attention, but also foster loyalty and positive feedback. Balancing regularity with content excellence ensures that each upload contributes positively to the channel's reputation, encouraging sustained growth and viewer satisfaction. Number 6. Copying trends blindly. A common pitfall for small YouTube channels is blindly copying trends without injecting a unique perspective. While leveraging trends is a smart strategy, replicating them without adding originality can lead to a channel blending into the crowded digital landscape. Viewers are drawn to content creators who offer a distinct voice or approach. Small channels should focus on interpreting trends through their individual lens, injecting creativity and personal insights. Authenticity stands out in the vast sea of content, and failing to bring a unique touch to trending topics hampers the channel's potential for differentiation and growth. Striking a balance between trend relevance and originality is key to carving a niche and building a dedicated audience. Innovative adaptation of trends sets small channels apart, cultivating a distinct identity. By avoiding blind replication, creators can captivate viewers, foster engagement, and solidify their niche in the competitive YouTube landscape, ensuring sustained growth and success. Number 5. Overlooking Analytics. Overlooking YouTube analytics is a critical misstep many small channels make. Ignoring the invaluable insights offered by analytics deprives creators of the data needed to refine their strategies. Regularly monitoring metrics such as watch time, audience retention, and demographic details is essential for understanding viewer behavior and tailoring content accordingly. Without this information, creators miss out on opportunities to optimize their videos for better engagement and growth. Smart utilization of analytics can uncover what works and what doesn't, guiding creators toward content improvements. Small channels should recognize the power of data-driven decisions, turning analytics into a potent tool for shaping their YouTube journey and fostering long-term success. By recognizing the power of analytics, small channels gain a competitive edge, honing their content strategies for improved visibility and resonance with audiences, fostering longevity and success on YouTube. Number 4. Lack of audience engagement. A prevalent mistake among small YouTube channels is the lack of proactive audience engagement. Ignoring comments, neglecting polls, and underutilizing social media connections can hinder the establishment of a thriving community. Viewer interaction is the lifeblood of a channel, and fostering a sense of community enhances loyalty and encourages sustained growth. Small channels should actively respond to comments, seek viewer input, and leverage platforms like Twitter or Instagram to maintain an ongoing dialogue. Building connections not only boosts audience retention, but also provides valuable insights into audience preferences. By neglecting audience engagement, small channels miss a golden opportunity to transform passive viewers into active, committed supporters, impacting long-term success on the YouTube platform. By embracing audience engagement as a cornerstone, small channels can transform passive viewers into active participants, fostering a sense of community and laying the groundwork for sustained growth and success on platforms like YouTube. Number 3. Ignoring SEO practices. Overlooking SEO practices is a significant misstep often made by small YouTube channels. Neglecting keyword optimization in video titles, descriptions, and tags can severely limit discoverability. Effective SEO strategies are essential for enhancing a video's visibility in search results and recommendations. Small channels should conduct thorough keyword research to align content with popular search queries in their niche. Implementing SEO best practices not only attracts a broader audience, but also helps YouTube's algorithms understand and promote the content to the right viewers. By dismissing SEO, small channels miss a crucial opportunity to increase exposure, hampering potential growth and preventing their content from reaching its intended audience in the competitive landscape of YouTube. By understanding and integrating SEO principles, small channels can unlock the full potential of their content, ensuring it reaches the right audience and competes effectively in the dynamic YouTube ecosystem. Number 2. Neglecting thumbnails and titles. A significant blunder frequently observed among small YouTube channels is the neglect of compelling thumbnails and titles. Underestimating the power of a visually captivating thumbnail and an enticing title can diminish a video's click-through rate. These elements are the first impressions that entice viewers, influencing whether they click to watch. Small channels should prioritize creating eye-catching thumbnails that accurately represent the content and crafting titles that are both engaging and searchable. A lack of attention to these crucial details can result in diminished visibility and missed opportunities for audience growth. By understanding the impact of thumbnails and titles, small channels can significantly enhance their content's appeal and increase the likelihood of attracting and retaining viewers. Number 1. Inconsistent uploads. Consistent uploads are the backbone of a successful YouTube channel, and the mistake of inconsistent posting often plagues small channels. Viewers appreciate reliability, and irregular upload schedules can lead to a loss of interest and decreased subscriber engagement. Establishing a predictable posting routine fosters audience expectations, encouraging regular viewership. Small channels should prioritize quality content within a consistent time frame, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. The algorithm also favors consistent activity, boosting a video's chances of being recommended. By overlooking the importance of a reliable posting schedule, small channels risk hindering their growth potential, missing opportunities to build a dedicated audience, and compete effectively in the dynamic world of YouTube. By addressing this oversight and delivering content consistently, small channels can forge stronger connections with their audience, amplify their reach, and establish a solid foundation for long-term success in the dynamic realm of YouTube. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.